Welcome to Sound Balance Physical Therapy. I'm Dr. Jonathon May.
And I'm Melanie.
We're creating a new series of videos which highlights the exercises in our home exercise program book.
And you can find a link to that book in the description below.
We'll be posting new content every day, so make sure that you subscribe to our channel.
And be sure to hit the notification bell below so you can be notified every time we post.
And if there's any suggestions that you want us to make videos for, then leave a comment down below. This exercise is called plank jacks. It is focused on improving cardio endurance and increasing your heart rate. You can use it as an exercise to add to your warm-up. So this is done by getting down in the push-up position. Your feet together to bring your butt down. You want to be as straight as possible. And then you're going to jump up and spread your feet out and then back in, just like you were doing the bottom half of a jumping jack. Okay. Again, this is a great way to increase your heart rate as part of your warm-up or as a part of an exercise for your circuit. So hopefully this is helpful for you.
And if you like that content and want to see more from us, go ahead and hit subscribe down below.
Thanks for watching and keep moving.